everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of Wi-Fi Passive Income Streams. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros, and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one.
Delivered instantly. Start using right now. First 25 only, tap into 2 billion extra buyers and free buyer traffic with our secret traffic source. We've unlocked an additional $1,000 in daily profits. Just $9.95 one time, normally $97. Even when you're logged out and offline. Grab a copy of Wi-Fi Passive Income Streams before the price increases. Click on any of the buttons on this page. Activate any of the 30-second AI-powered methods like our famous phone tap takes one click. Just as easy as taking a shower. From the desk of Glenn. Location, Chicago, United States, vacation. Dear future passive earner, let's cut to it. If you had to make money today with nothing but your phone, could you? If you paused, even for a second, that's exactly why you're here. Most people scroll their lives away, broke, stressed, one bill from disaster. Me? I use the same phone. But I tap once and trigger $500 plus days like clockwork. No selling. No talking. No building a biz. Just one 30-second Wi-Fi tap that flips on multiple streams of automated income, powered by AI. You don't need skills. You don't need luck. You just need the system and a few seconds to let it run. Now imagine this for a second. You tap into Wi-Fi Passive Income Streams, and within minutes, it's already working in the background. And that's just the beginning. This isn't a course or a side hustle, and it sure as hell isn't an online business. It's a Wi-Fi powered cash switch built to flood our phones with payouts in minutes. The 30-second phone tap you've heard about, that's just the first spark. One tap triggers 5 streams instantly. This system runs itself, you just tap to ignite it. And I'm not the only one using it. Right now, hundreds of everyday people, no skills, no audience, no clue, are tapping their phones and quietly stacking 5 income streams at once. No selling. No face. No pressure. Just results. Briefcase what you're getting and why it works. Let's be clear. This is a done-for-you AI income system that unlocks multiple passive streams, straight from your phone. The idea? Backhand index pointing right, tap once, share trending content and trigger 5 income flows. That's it, no setup. No selling. No stress. And that 30-second tap? Just one of many passive income methods inside, there are dozens more waiting, too powerful to reveal here. If you've got a phone, Wi-Fi, and 30 seconds, you're ready to flip the switch and start stacking. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.